Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Cole Boone. I'm going to show you a trick I use on my welding platen to keep it rust free and to keep weld spatter from sticking. It's a product called Meguiar's Quick Wax. Meguiar's Quick Wax sprays on, you wipe it off, and it makes a nice protective coating that will keep the moisture out and it keeps your table from rusting. All you have to do is first clean the table. Isopropyl alcohol, 70% is best. It acts as a drying agent to displace the water and to remove any leftover oils that will prevent the spray wax from sticking. Now that the table is completely clean of all oils and fingerprints and moisture, we're now going to install the Meguiar's Quick Wax. Simply spray it on, wipe it off. And that's all there is to it. You can also use Meguiar's Quick Wax on other types of tables, such as jigsaws, bandsaws, and table saws. That keeps the table from rusting, and it also makes your work slide easier, so no herky-jerky motions. Get Meguiar's Quick Wax today, link in the description. Thanks for watching.